You know what? I don't play favorites. Some people seem to think favorite daughter ko, favorite na anak ko si Frankie. Hindi. I love all my children equally. I am a mother first. Kasi, based on experience, ang asawa pwede mawala. Pero ang dugo at laman mo, bumaliktad man ang mundo, dugo at laman mo yan. Ano man, you know what? I don't play favorites. Some people seem to think favorite daughter ko, favorite na anak ko si Frankie. Hindi. I love all my children equally. It's just that, doon lang tayo sa totoo. Kung sino syempre yung lagi mong kasama, lagi mong katabi, meron ka lang mas nakakasundo. And among all my children, ang kaugali ko si Frankie. And Miguel is my buddy. Miguel is he's such a gentleman. Ang hindi ko nakikita si Casey. So, I will just say this, when she mentions na she's alone, I feel bad because it was her choice. When she left home at 18, kasi she went to school, syempre parang kano yung ano niya, yung hindi Filipino yung thinking. Hindi nga bagay yung ano ko dito dahil mukhang European, di ba? Pero since she was 18, pinakita pa niya sa amin yung bibili niyang condo, kami ni Kiko. And hindi ko siya mapigilan because I also wanted her to fly, to learn how to live on her own. And from the time I raised her, when Gabby and I separated, she was 2.5. Until she was 18, ang katulong ko lang magpalaki dyan, mami ko o daddy ko. Pero never ako humingi kahit piso sa mga magulang ko. Because I wanted to set an example to Casey. Na ang babae, hindi mo kailangan ng lalaki para mabuhay. You have to work for your own savings. And so that meron kang pagkukunan in case di ka makapag-asawa or in case sa kasawiang palad, maging fate din niya yung nangyari sa amin ni Gabby. So, medyo being alone was her choice. Our house, our home has always included her. Kiko raised her since she was 9 years old. And they've been very close. Shock absorber niya yan, takbuhan niya yan. Yan ang kanyang sounding board. Kahit minsan may tampuhan kami, si Kiko ang kausap niya. Yung pagka-unfollow, alam ko you're all curious about that. Ito na lang sasabihin ko. Like I said in my post, uulitin ko na lang kasi yun lang naman. Di ba sabi niya, hindi naman talaga kami perfect, di naman. Wala naman walang perfect. If I didn't have my parents and my brother, and my best friends, and people like Ate Baby in my life, and Mama Mina. All those people that sincerely cared about me while I was growing up, especially in the business. I probably would have turned out to be a very horrible, arrogant person. Kasi impressionable ang bata akala mo yung fame, pinakamagaling ka na sa lahat. So, siguro nagkaroon lang ng konting let's just say okay, first of all, among my children, Casey is the one that is the most, let's just say she's the opposite of me. Ang lakas ng dugo ng papa niya. Kaya sila magkasundo, they're the same. For better or worse, they're the same. And sometimes, pag pinapaalalahanan ang isang tao ng amain, anak, kapatid, mommy. Merong mga tao na ayaw nilang have to be careful. Ganun lang, pagtatampuhan. So, ganun lang yun. And it hurt me, syempre, nung may unfollow. Pero, pamilya kami. This is a family matter. And, she's close to her papa now, and that makes me happy because they lost so many years together. But I want to remind the whole world, all of you, that since Gabby and I separated, there was never, not once, never a time na hindi niya pwedeng puntahan yung anak niya. I never prevented them seeing each other. In fact, yung mga nakailang press cons na sa akin over the decades, I would always say, you know, I want them to have a relationship. Ayaw kong isipin ng anak ko kalahati niya masama. Diba yung gano'n? Excuse me. So, marami na akong natiis. Marami akong pwedeng nagawa noon. Pero hindi ko ginawa because of Casey. Lahat ng desisyon ko sa buhay nung araw because of Casey. Because of Casey. She was my whole world. And I'm happy they're together now. But I hope that no one forgets, least of all Casey, all the sacrifices I made when I was raising her. Because it wasn't easy. I had her at 19 and I was practically still finding my way in the world as a new adult. And I had to raise her and I made my work my therapy. That's why I became a workaholic. So, I have to trust in the way that I raised my daughter. That's all.
Yes.
And no, and since I'm a mother first, I love Casey very, very much. I would die for her, for Frankie, for Miguel and Miguel if I had to. Silang apat lang ang papayag akong mamatay kesa sa kanila. Remember when she was small, sabi ko, kung merong paglaki ni Casey, kung merong man dumating na panahon na yung nakalaan sa kanya mga problema, Ate P, baka naalala mo yun? Kung yung mga darating pag-adult na siya, sana sa akin na lang ibigay. Do you remember that? Kasi alam ko na yung strengths ko, alam ko yung capacity ko, kakayanin ko. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin niya. So, ayaw kong masaktan yung anak ko. Yun lang. But I'm happy they're close, but I love her very, very much from the bottom of my heart. And yung mga nagbabash sa amin na yung bang mga, siguro mga gusto maging nanay ni Casey. O yung mga troll lang na walang magawa, o fans ng iba, o fans niya na hindi nakakaintindi. Huwag kayong magdunong-dunungan kasi hindi kami yung pamilya. Ang showbiz, trabaho namin. Hindi kami showbiz na pamilya. Pag uwi, we're very decent and private. And some things have to stay within the family. So, you cannot expect me na siraan ko ang anak ko.
Yes.
I will never do that. And ano man, lahat ng tao nagkakamali. As long as an apology is sincere and you take accountability for it, whatever it is, this is for all my children. I will always forgive and I will always embrace you with open arms. And nagpaalam siya sa akin kasi, Mama, I'm leaving for New York tonight. So there was a time nakikita ko na lang nasan siya sa Instagram niya. So yung nagkaroon ng mga times na hindi siya nagko-communicate kasi siguro ganun talaga pag bata, may buhay kang sarili, minsan nalilimot mo. And nami-miss ko yun, syempre. And I will always remember what I taught her. And I am praying that she remembers everything she learned from me and my mom. Laking lola rin siya eh. Kailangan i-honor niya dahil ang nagpalaki sa akin, lola rin niya. So hindi pwedeng iba kami. Kasi pare-pareho ang palaki ko sa mga anak ko. And I wanna apologize to Kiko and the Pangilinan clan kasi nadawit yung dahil dun sa pagka-public ng pag-unfollow. It's really just a small thing that got a bit out of hand and it's a family matter. So whatever it is, I will always support my daughter. I will always love her. And I will always be her mom and tell her what she's doing right and tell her what she's doing wrong until she is 80 and I'm still alive. I'll always be her mom. Basta ano lang ang request ko kay Case, do not forget, anak, everything you learned from me, everything you learned from Mita and Tatay. Accountability, word of honor, honesty, loyalty, and we are your family. Your daddy and your siblings love you. I hope whatever it is fixed as soon as possible. That's all.
Kumusta ang heart mo ngayon? What brings joy to your heart?
My family, my husband, my children, may medyo konting tampo. Pero I can't call it tampo eh. Konting hurt from case. Pero natural lang naman yun. But all in all, my personal life, I cannot ask God for anything more. And my best friend since I was 13, one of the 4, is here. She arrived this morning. So, welcome Eileen, my love. Yung kasama ko sa live nung nasa States ako. Yan, isa yan sa mga sinabihan ko noon nung bata pa kami. If you see me changing, the 4 of you have the right to make me batok. It's your friends that will tell you the truth. And ngayon, pag tinatanong ko sila, nagbago ba ako? Tumaba ka lang. Ganon. Or pumayat ka lang. So when I asked her kanina, am I still the same as I was when we met? Exactly, you're still the same. So, the Megastar title is a title I respect and know I have to live up to when I perform or make movies, but it's not my life. I'm very normal and I'm a simple girl with a very complicated life.
Ready ka na ba or wish mo ba na magkasama rin kayo ni Gabby na ihahatid nyo na sa altar si Casey?
Kung anong gusto ng anak ko. Kung ayaw niya mag-asawa, okay lang sa akin. Ayaw niya magkaanak, okay lang sa akin. Gusto niya magpakasal, okay lang sa akin. Sabi nga sa'yo kung anong gusto ng mga anak ko. Basta support lang. I just want them to be happy. Kung ano yung kakasaya nila, ano man yun.
Wala, hindi pa, before, hindi nag-uusap kayo, hindi pa ninyo pinag-usapan.
Kami ni Gabby?
Ni Casey.
Hindi ko siya pinapressure. I just wait for her to make kwento. Namimiss ko yung magkwento siya sa akin, mag-open up siya sa akin. Marami akong di alam sa buhay ng anak ko.
Pag susulat ka ng Dear Heart,
Yes.
Dear Casey, ano sabi mo na kay Casey? Dear Gabby, o dear kids, anong gusto mo sabihin? And dear self?
Dear kids, no matter what you decide to do in life, I will support you. But please remember that whatever you do must honor God, must honor my mother and father, Kiko's mother and father. In Casey's case, me, Gabby, and her lolo and lola, Tatay and Mita. And always take the moral high road. Never ever get into issues that are morally wrong, right, Kirby? That's our pledge because we represent our clans, so we need to be mindful. And whatever you want to do, I will support you. I will never impose anything on you, but I will ask of you to remember to always respect people and treat people well and do your best in whatever you choose to do. And please do something not just for yourself, but something that will be good for, that will be for the greater good. Kung pwede may contribution sila sa society, mas proud ako nun. Pero mamahalin ko sila no matter what. And number 2, dear...
Dear Gabby.
Dear Gabby.
Or Dear Heart.
Dear Heart. Kaninong heart?
Dear Gabby, tinatanong niya Rose. So, kasama ka sa Marites, diba?
Iba kasi yung Dear Heart, iba yung Dear Gabby. Dear Heart. Heart ko?
Heart mo.
Dear Heart. Natuto ka na.
Kaya question mark, exclamation point.
Hindi, period.
Period.
Natuto ka na. Napagdaanan mo na lahat ng sakit. Huwag na umulit. Hindi. Take care of yourself. Because you have given too much love and gotten not as much. Although you have a lot. You got a lot, but still not as much as you gave. Pero okay lang yun. Dear, sino pa isa? Bago si Gabby?
Gabby Ra.
Before Gabby, nagmamadali.
Oo,
Dear self.
Dear self.
Dear self. Continue to be true to yourself. Continue to honor your parents wherever they may be. And never stop teaching your children, even if it hurts. Teach them what is right, what is good. Yung nakalagay sa umpisa ng Dear Heart, sa credits, what is true, good and beautiful.
Ah,
So that's what I want my children to learn. And be true and loyal. All the values na kailangan meron sila. Work hard, make us proud. Sa kids ko pala yun. Ako, ganun din. Continue making your parents proud, your friends and supporters proud. Do your best in every project you have. Whether you're singing in front of 5 people or 100,000 people, you will be the same. You will make movies, whether millions watch it or 10 people watch it, you will still give your best. And you will never ever forget the people that loved you and supported you and helped you get where you are. That's it.
thank you.
Love you, Kuya Jay.
Dear
Dear Gabby,
Gabby.
thank you for the good times. Thank you for Casey. I hope we can be friends for the sake of our daughter also. Because you were my co-producer in
Dito?
creating Casey.
Ah,
So, we need to work
kumita ka
together.
ba? Yes, sige, sige.
Ang bongga.
We need to work together to help her become a better person. And please take care of my baby.
Thank you, Sharon.
And I've got your back.
Okay.
And I hope we can be friends. I mean, real friends, not just showbiz na, di ba? Wala namang reason not to be.
Oh, baka isa 3 hours
And
yung
please,
ninyo.
Gabby, dear Gabby, huwag ka na ma-develop sa akin. Alam ko mahirap, pero kaya mo.
Lalo na sa itsura mo niya ngayon, di ba?
Oo, baka nagulat siya.
Oh.
Ang bongga.